Welcome to Pydle Day 107. Pydle is a daily puzzle game you need to solve by writing Python code. There's a little example there which will just fill in the whole grid with white cells. That's just to get you started. But if you haven't played Pydle before, you just want sort of more hints, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was the Incredible Hulk. So that was day one of our superheroes theme. Today's is Iron Man, and there will be one more tomorrow. Okay, so the Incredible Hulk. So a lot of symmetry there. So we let's do Cartesian coordinates for x, but y we just keep normal Pydle coordinates. Okay, so the two white cells. So if you say if we create a tuple of absolute value of x, comma y, equals, and that value is 2, 4, and that would apply to both of them. Okay, but then we have to convert back to Pydle coordinates for x. Okay, so that's the two kind of blank cells of the neck. So now for the greens, we just going to exclude the cells that can stay black. So we're going to say else if. So y equals 0 is 1, so y not equals 0, and the remainder of the black pixels we are just going to kind of name individually, but we can make use of the symmetry. So we're going to again create a tuple of absolute value of x, comma y, and now we're going to say not in, and now we're going to create a range of tuples, and we can do that using zip. So zip's going to create a list of tuples from the two lists we supply. So the first list should be the list of x values. So it is 2 and 1, because we're taking the absolute value. We can just look at that, the positives, 2 and 1, and y is 1 and 2. Okay, the colon there, and then we can say green. So that should leave the hair and the eyes. Okay, so that solves the Incredible Hulk. Have a go at solving Iron Man, and I'll see you again tomorrow with the solution.